2, 1.
I need to go home.
Bring it back out.
Take me home.
And then shrink, shrink, shrink,
That's not safe.
shrink.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, today we're going to take a walk by the creek and let's see if we can find anything really special. Oh, look at those pretty flowers.
I got 2 fish. Oh wow.
What kind of flowers?
I think these are, oh, these are sundays.
Hi guys. Okay. Oh, fish. Peyton,
Wait,
would you
I
like
got
to
one.
eat this? No, I got one. Ugh.
Come on, you like it.
No. It's your yummy spinach. Why don't you like it? I can't. I got it. I got a fish. Yay!
We found 2 snakes. I think they were about to be adult, like teenagers, but I'm not for sure. But there are 2 right here. One of them came out completely and went right across here. And then the other one stayed right there and poked up its head and went back down. Doesn't that sound scary? One of them almost touched my foot. I creeped out. We need to do this. 1, 2, 3. Bring out as much as you can. Look at all the insects. And then the worst part. Guys, we found a spider. I'm scared of them.
Hi guys.
I think that's a baby tarantula. at our next adventure.